You've heard me say this before and I'm gonna say it again. The best way to learn robotics, computer vision and machine learning is by taking up projects. And lots of projects. What I've not talked about so far is how you can actually use the internet and especially YouTube to start finding projects for yourself. In this video, I'll be talking about the top 5 YouTube channels that you can use as reference to start doing projects immediately after watching this video. As always, I try to keep these videos very practical. My hope is that by the end of this video, you would be spending some time evaluating these YouTube channels and making a list of the projects that you can start immediately to start your learning journey in computer vision. So in this video, we'll be focusing specifically on the top 5 YouTube channels that you can use to find computer vision projects. For the sake of simplicity, these videos are ordered in a descending order of the number of subscribers. That means that the number 1 video would have the most number of subscribers on YouTube and the number 5 video would have the least number of subscribers. However, note that this is just for simplicity and all of these YouTube channels are unique in their own right, with each of the YouTubers having their own different set of projects and different style of making YouTube content. So this video is not meant to be a comparative evaluation of the YouTube channels with one another. Another important point to note is that these YouTube channels that I have chosen are purely chosen because they are more project oriented. There are a lot of really wonderful YouTube channels from the best universities in the world which have top-notch free lectures on computer vision online that you can use as reference. However, since we are following a project-based learning framework, in this particular video I'm covering only the YouTube channels where you have a variety of different computer vision projects and tutorials available. To get the most out of this video, my expectation would be that you spend some time, at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, to make a personalized list for yourself comprising of the projects that you find the most interesting. Initially, the project list can consist of 10 to 20 different projects, but then you would start filtering out. You would select the top 5 projects that stand out for you, that you find really interesting, that you are really curious about. Once you have a filtered list of the top 5 projects that you are most excited about, you would then be selecting the project that you find would be the easiest for you to do. And then you would just start doing that project. And again, these YouTube channels might consist of tutorials of these projects, but as I have advocated in some of the previous videos, you should not be relying on tutorials to guide you entirely through a project. So take this list of projects, find a project that you find really interesting and that is also easy enough for you to just start building it, and then spend some time trying to do it on your own. Take a week if you need to. After you have spent sufficient time building this project on your own, you can then refer to the tutorial solution from the YouTube channel you used as reference. So keep that in mind. Do not follow the tutorials or the projects that are on these YouTube channels step by step. So let's get started with the list. On number 5, we have PyImageSearch, which is the most comprehensive computer vision resource on the internet today, comprising of several computer vision projects and several projects in deep learning and machine learning. It has detailed articles describing step by step how to build a project. It has online repositories, and if you enroll into the PyImageSearch University program, they also have video walkthroughs of these projects that you see in the articles. So it is a particularly good resource to begin with and actually can be used at several stages of the learning journey. On number 4 is a channel that I discovered recently, which is called PySource. It also consists of a lot of interesting projects, from traffic management system and parking scenarios to object detection and segmentation, and a lot of different projects. It has some face detection, face recognition, face blur projects, some robotics projects, and a few projects dealing with mask RCNN. So this is another good resource that you can use to find some projects that are of interest to you that you can start building immediately. On number 3 is another very popular YouTube channel called Augmented Startups, which is doing a really good job at providing interesting computer vision projects for beginners. These projects deal with implementation of YOLO mask RCNN and several other models that are also used in the industry. Their focus is on object detection, segmentation, and basically Basically the most important things that would be helpful to you in your computer vision career. Augmented Startups also lays an emphasis on building a GUI, a user interface to showcase your computer vision projects. Every channel has their own way of building projects. So if this style of projects appeals to you, you could definitely check this out and you could use the several projects that they have on their channel as reference. On number 2 is another really interesting channel by Nicholas Rennett. The channel mainly focuses on project-based tutorials that you can start using to learn computer vision. This channel is interesting because he takes up challenges to code intermediate to advanced computer vision problems in restricted time spans like 15 minutes to 30 minutes. With predefined rules such as zero to limited use of Stack Overflow and online searching. While I don't encourage you to take up these challenges as a beginner, but these should serve as a motivation and you can definitely take up the projects as ideas and start implementing them at your own pace. And if you're comfortable, you can set up challenges for yourself. So what I like about this channel is the gamification part of building the projects, which comes as a result of these time constraints and the challenge that Nicholas takes to build these projects. So this is pretty cool. You can check this out for sure. And on number 1 is Murtaza's workshop, Robotics and AI, which primarily focuses on computer vision projects. This channel is unique in its own way because it builds games using computer vision, which is a slightly different approach than the other YouTube channels have. This could be a particularly good channel for you to start because since it takes up games, it might also be more interesting to you to start learning computer vision with. So definitely check out this channel. This is a really good channel that you can start learning computer vision with. And again, to point out the fact that I'm not using this video as a comparative evaluation of the YouTube channels with one another, and this rating is solely based on the number of subscribers for the sake of convenience. Additionally, there are a lot of different YouTube channels, GitHub repositories, Medium articles, and Kaggle competitions that you can use as reference